everyone, today we're gonna do I Ready Reading. We haven't done I Ready in a very long time. You're just looking at how the mouse is like, woo, just like shaking your head.
When singers combine their voices, each one sings at a different time.
What do you mean?
High five. You can organize people in a line from shortest to tallest.
That makes way too much sense, guys.
That is exactly right.
Thanks for playing! Clap the Lord! Clap the Lord!
Give our tablets more word power. We need to charge them on the power strip.
Look for words on the tablets that have the same meaning as the words on the power strip. Drag each plug to its synonym.
Guys, have you heard about the word wall call synonyms? Yes, synonym actually means the same thing, the exact same thing.
The most possible.
The most possible. Limit. Okay, so we got that check. Combine, join, then amount, how much? Oh, this might be check. Correct, we got all of it correct.
Exactly.
Okay, so time to click on it with the mouse. So, guys.
Success.
I success that with my goal. It's the target. Organize is arrange. Success. Success is not an achievement. It's a good thing, but it's still kind of the same thing. So yeah.
Great job.
Great job! Now we've got more word power.
They both said good job. I mean both. Both. That was kind of like my emo thingy.
Look at all the word power we've got now.
But that thing, you're going to see it later after I make this video. You're going to start to see that a new one. So yeah, kind of. I might post another video, guys. Yeah, I will.
Amount!
Combine.
Goal!
Limit.
Organize!
Success.
There's no limit
Success!
to the new words we can learn, Flory.
Okay, off to the collection, little guy. Now let's
He
practice
bonked
some words
his
we
head.
learned before. And remember,
Scoring round!
remember to work carefully.
Listen up. I have questions and I need answers.
Help us answer Major Pearl's questions. Drag the correct answer into the empty space.
What does a worm on a hook do to a fish?
A worm? Oh. It's kind of... I don't really know that.
Listen to the question and try again.
This is called reading, guys. And it actually has more words than math. Excuse me, guys. I didn't mean to. What does a worm on a hook do to a fish? Stick it, I think. Okay, well, never mind.
No, sorry. A worm on a hook attracts a fish. The worm draws the fish toward it.
What do stamps do on an envelope?
Guys, we need 5 more subscribers till we get 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe. If you subscribe and if we get 1,000 subscribers, I can put my whole face onto YouTube. You really want to see my face, don't you? Today, let's go back to I Ready Math mode. I mean reading mode. Switch those brains. We can't lose subscribers. You need to earn. Okay, says, what does stamps do on an envelope? It kinda attracts, not stick. Okay, then stick.
Listen to the question and try again.
Stick. I'm gonna stick mine.
Indeed.
Which word describes finding a hidden or secret place?
Great job.
What do you do when you mix chemicals to make a volcano?
It's called an experiment.
That is exactly right.
So guys, what do you do when you mix chemicals into a volcano?
What do news stories on TV do?
Breaking news. Guys, these are breaking news. I Ready. This is the breaking news. I'll tell you. Guys, guess what? We are doing breaking news about I Ready. I Ready. It helps people grow in math and reading. In math, it helps us restructure our brain and to do plus, minus, division, etc. In reading, it helps people read and get smarter in books, like saying, this word is, say out loud. That's the breaking news about I Ready. That's what I Ready. Let's go back to math mode. I'm serious, guys. This is way too serious. Okay, guys. What do news
stories on TV do?
inform us?
Excellent work.
What do you need in order to give someone a piggyback ride?
So, what do you need in order to give someone a piggy ring ride? That's so easy, guys. It's strength. If you don't know that, tell me in the comments below.
Thanks. That really clears things up.
Nice job. You received 20 coins.
I was like, please let me get it wrong, so that whatever you get it wrong, it's okay. But I still got it right, and it's still okay. Let's see my progress. I got 58 minutes. Wow. 75, that's a lot. My current streak. It says current streak.
Lessons passed this school year. Current streak. Pass rate.
This is unusual. It always says. Right
Time
here.
on
Task on lessons this week. Monday to Sunday. Reading lesson stats and math
Reading.
lesson stats.
Lessons
a few
passed
minutes
this
is a
school
lot.
year.
And this is a lot
Math.
too. Okay,
To do.
time to go back to working on words 23. I love working on words, guys. Like no offense. Yes.
I wonder what words we'll learn today, Flory. Let's read.
What is the matter?
What's the matter?
What's the matter?
Next time someone asks, what's the matter? Say everything. Your answer won't mean that everything is wrong.
It will
indicate that everything is made of matter, including you. Matter is
You
anything
too.
that takes up space and has weight. Scientists classify matter into 3 forms. A solid has a shape that stays the same unless you change it.
Boom.
Rocks are solids. That's obvious because it takes powerful force to change a rock's shape.
Ha.
A liquid has no shape of its own.
Liquid.
Liquids, like water, take the shape of what they are in. A gas has no shape either.
either. Glass is
spread out to fill the space they are in. Air is an invisible gas all around you.
Yeah, I see one. It's right there. Oh, I can't see it.
Congratulations, Flory. We are now experts on this topic.
Hold your hammer, you. We need to learn these new words so we can really understand. Let's get to work.
Choose a widget to learn
More about the word. When you see this, you can touch it to hear the word in Spanish. Indicate. Let's learn
This
about
word
indicate.
is indicate. Say
Indicate.
out loud.
Indicate. I indicate this.
When you indicate something, you show that it is there or that it is true. Tap the X on the map to indicate where we can find the hidden treasure.
Where is the hidden treasure? Where is it going? Where is it?
The X indicates where we can find the hidden treasure.
Okay, so gas.
When you indicate something, you show that it is there or that it is
True.
Show and point out are synonyms of indicate. They mean almost the same thing.
The Spanish word for indicate is indicar.
Indicar. How did I guess that actually? I was like indicar. And okay, what did it
The
actually
Spanish
say?
word for indicate is indicar.
How did I possibly know that?
Which symbol would you use to indicate that you feel happy?
If I'm like this, no one knows that I had they'll think I'm fake. I'm like this, people will be like, he's just smiling, not happy. What if I'm like, oh yeah, they'll think I'm actually happy, even though I'm
Yes!
sometimes not. But I was
That
gonna
would
jump
be
like
a
that.
great way to indicate that you are happy.
Well, let's move on.
This word is solid. Say
Wait, if there's liquid means something like watery. I've learned that when I was like 4 years old. Solid is something that's pretty hard, like this sound. Listen. Okay, like that. Liquid is like this sound.
solid out loud.
Okay, so that's what solid.
A solid is something firm or hard that keeps its size and shape.
That's exactly what I
Tap
said.
the red button to help Flory change water into a solid.
Oh, it's gonna be ice.
Flory used the ice
Definite.
machine to freeze water into a solid.
Of course I did. Time to go
A
here.
solid is something firm or hard that keeps its size and shape. Firm object is a synonym of solid. They mean almost the same thing.
Oh, I know this word in Spanish. It's solido. I definitely know this. I've heard about it like lots of times. Solido. I was like, what does that mean? It means solid. I've heard, so I know it's sólido.
The Spanish word for solid is sólido.
Yeah, I actually knew that. I knew that actually.
Each of these objects is a solid. Which one do you like best?
Guys, tell me in the comments. You can call this a star. You can call this a horse. You can call this a rock. Which one do you like? You can tell me in the comments. So guys, I would say I like this horsey.
Oh, I like that solid too.
You know why I like it? I like how they make the not just the decorations, but I like how you can sit on it and it's hard that it will not fall. But if you're way too strong and kind of too fat, well then I think it's gonna just destroy. My parents call me skinny for some reason when I'm not even skinny. That's skinny. Liquid. Liquid means something that is like water. Water, things that you can kind of drink or things that let me show you. Let me show you. So guys, this is what a liquid is. Liquid could be like something like these. In physics, a liquid is state of matter defense, but no fixed shape in form. So guys, that's what liquid is. Let's learn about it.
Is liquid.
Say liquid
liquid
out loud. Liquid!
A liquid is something that flows and can be poured. Yoop is thirsty. Tap the pitcher to help Yoop get some liquid to drink.
It's picture, not pitcher. Picture.
You helped.
Like guys, today after school, it was so hot. I needed to get some water.
Yoop get some liquid to drink. A liquid is something that flows and can be poured. Fluid is a synonym of liquid. These words mean almost the same thing.
Oh guys, I definitely know. I've also heard this. It's liquido. Liquido.
The Spanish word for liquid is líquido.
Liquido, yeah. I said liquido.
Which
What
liquid
do I
would
mean?
you like to drink?
Which liquid would I like to drink? Oh my gosh. You're telling me lots of liquid things. ¿Cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Uma Porsche. ¿Cómo? Whatever, I'm just saying. Liquid, what should I? Oh, why would I drink apple juice? I hate apple juice. This one is the tastiest that I would want. Tell me in the
I
comments
would
what would you
love
like.
to drink that liquid.
That liquid? Hey. Let's learn about classify.
Is classify. Say classify out loud.
Classify! Okay, I actually still said it out loud.
When you
Told me.
classify, you sort things into groups. Tap the
I
group
really
of
knew
living
that.
things to help classify them as plants or animals. You helped classify the living things as
Excuse
plants
me.
or animals.
You're both actually living, guys. Do you have a plant? If you don't, you can search up. Is plant living thing? Yes, it's a living thing because it grows. And not just grows. If you feed it water and dirt, it grows. Yeah, something like that, guys. That's good.
When you classify, you sort things into groups. Sort and organize are synonyms of classify. These words mean almost the same thing.
I think I've heard about this word. Oh, I think I remember. I think it's clasificar. Let me listen.
The Spanish word for classify is clasificar.
See, guys, I think I'm an expert at Spanish.
Which way would you choose to store beads after you classify them?
But guys, we still need 1,000 subscribers. So I earned more subscribers. I have 997, I think. But I still.
After classifying beads, I store them that way too.